Welcome to the Ideas Nest, the home for your ideas. When you arrive on the home screen, you will be greeted by Nova, our helpful unicorn assistant. You can interact with Nova anytime. Just type your message into the prompt box and tap Send. To close Nova, just tap on the X in the upper right corner. To open Nova anytime, just tap on the unicorn icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Let's take a look around the home screen. Scroll down to discover your magical options. The Idea Register is where all your magical ideas live. At the top of this screen you will see a summary of how many ideas you've currently set up. Scroll down this screen to view and access all of your existing ideas. To add a new idea, tap on the Add New Idea button. Enter as many details as you need to capture the essence of your idea. You'll find drop-downs to help categorize your idea. These will be helpful later. Tap on the Save button to finish. Once you are back on the Idea Register page, scroll down to find the idea you have just added. Tap on Edit to open your idea. You can allow your idea to stay warm in your nest, or scroll down to take your idea on a magical journey. Tap the green button and follow the prompts to begin the magical journey. The magical journey is made up of 5 enchanting stages. In a separate tutorial, we will explore the magical idea journey in much more detail. You'll find an option on your home screen to tune the app with your essence. Tap Spark Setup to begin your essence tuning. This setup is optional and you can return to it anytime. Idea Constellations is the magical space where your ideas come to life. Scroll down the home screen to locate the Idea Journey section. Tap on View Constellation to open your Idea Constellation Tracker. Here you will see ideas from your Idea Register that have commenced the magical journey. You can continue to work on any ideas from where you left off. Each idea progresses through 5 stages. We will take a look at an idea that has completed 5 stages of the journey. Tap on the View button to open your idea. The Idea Constellation is your cosmic hub of everything about your idea. You'll find toolbars to help you develop your idea, manage next steps, make notes, and explore deep dives. Idea Deep Dives are a special and unique feature of the app. They help you uncover layers of insight. In a separate tutorial we will explore Idea Deep Dives in much more detail. At the top of each screen are 3 horizontal bars. Tap on the horizontal bars to open the main menu. The Idea Dashboard is where you can see the big picture of all your ideas. Find and search ideas that you want progress, or leave them warm in your nest.